Okay, so how to make a UGC ad in 3 minutes.
These boots are so comfy and stylish, perfect for adding a pop of color to any look. I've been wearing these non-stop lately. They seriously make every outfit look better. If you're looking for stylish boots that stand out, these are perfect for you.
Just open Loova Agents and choose the UGC ads template. I'll make a few quick edits to the brief, upload my product images, and click Go. Now Loova Agents starts understanding my product, creative brief, and overall requirements. First, it generates a female avatar. You can also track the entire generation process in real time through the status updates here. Next, Loova Agents moves into scene planning. It basically acts like a creative director, planning the video structure, clip timing, pacing, and visual direction automatically. Then it generates keyframes, creating a strong visual foundation for the final video generation stage. Once everything looks good, just click Generate Video. The result already looks really good, but I want the avatar to actually speak on camera instead of using a voiceover. So I can simply chat with Loova Agents and describe exactly what I want. For example, here I ask it to make the avatar talk directly to the camera with natural spoken dialogue instead of narration. Loova Agents immediately understands the request and regenerates the scene accordingly. After that, the background music is auto-generated, and all the clips are automatically stitched together into a complete video. And that's it. Everything is done. It's already ready to post on social media.
I've been wearing these non-stop lately. They seriously make every outfit look better. If you're looking for stylish boots that stand out, these are perfect for you.